Crypto Kings and Queens, welcome to my channel. What we're gonna go through today is 4 different scenarios that can happen on BTC from 2 different levels. And make sure to look at the whole video because you want to know exactly what I am thinking and what we are expecting. So we're looking at the market for what it's showing us, not what we think it is, but this is definitely important. I will also combine it with USDT and what we are waiting for on the market for us to be able to decide to go in a short position or a long position. So this is extremely important because the market is retesting a previous support and we are reaching certain levels that is really important for us. Maybe you do not know about these levels, and that's why I'm sharing them with you, because I can guarantee you that the market will do something against it and we will be able to take a trade from it. Remember, I'm no financial advisor, so you obviously need to look at everything yourself with the experience that you do have. I will provide you with the targets and the reason to it. If you don't have a platform that you're trading your cryptocurrencies on, or if you're looking for a new one, then right now together with Bybit, I have a 30k bonus that you can receive if you're using the link in the description down below my video. You also have it pinned right here. So this is extremely good. First thing when it comes to Bybit is that you're placing your own trades, of course, but you can also get some copy trading from this platform, and you can also have a trading bot that is trading for you. Remember, always trade with risk management, no matter if it is your own trades or someone else's trades. Now, if you are from the UK and you are not able to sign up through Bybit, I have another really good platform which is called Bitflex, and you don't need any KYC from this platform. And the good things when it comes to this, you don't have the 30k bonus as on Bybit, but you do have, when you are depositing $100, you will get a 10 free dollars back. And as I said, you don't need any KYC when it comes to this. Going into what's happening right now on BTC, let us go to the higher time frames on the 4-hourly, just so we have an understanding of what's happening right now. So a couple of days ago, I did talk about the reverse that we can have down to the previous resistance level, and this is exactly what have happened. We were talking about that if the market breaks below 26,915, then we are still in a bearish scenario. This can of course happen once again. We did see a really strong drop from the previous high at 28,570. So the levels that I have right now for us is that either you'll see the market push up to, and we have already retested 27,630, but we also have 27,820, 21.5 if you want to be precise. If the market pulls back up and you start to see a lot of red candlestick coming, dropping down from this level, it can indicate for another drop down. But looking at it right now, we can still push up to 27,820. So the most important thing that we're looking at right here is that if we start to have a lot of bullish candlesticks and we see a small pullback, then this will not be a bearish scenario. Then it will take us further up, and at that point we're looking at 28,120, 28,220, and this is the exact same thing. What can happen is that you either see the market start to give you some bearish momentum from here, and of course, depending on what you're yourself using as indicators or confirmation before you're getting into a long or short position, you obviously have to check that out for yourself. If the same thing that I told you, if we start to see a lot of bullish momentum and we start to see small pullbacks around it, it can be the momentum that we are looking for to the upside once again. Now we obviously have to wait and see if this was the last bullish push that we did have. If we see a continuation up, if we would break above 28,570, the next target that we are looking at is 30,350. So going down to the lower time frames will give us a lot of data of what's going to happen next. So at this time, I don't have any good confirmations for me to get into the market. The only confirmation that I have is patiently wait for the market to do its thing. Okay, So yeah, we're waiting for the market to give us whatever. We can go into USDT and see what's happening right now. So last time I was looking at USDT, we saw how the market, so this was a lower high level, and the reason for that is you can see how the market created one lower high, lower low. So if this was a continuation, we would have respected 7.77% for that momentum down, but this did not happen. We saw a break above it, and this is exactly what we're looking for when it comes to BTC. We want to see what the market is doing against the potential levels the market can reverse from. And in this case, the reverse never happened, but we did break above it. So for USDT, what can happen is that we're dropping down once again, only to create another leg for another momentum to the upside, because we are retesting the trend line now from the weekly chart. Everything depends on how the market's gonna move from here. Of course, we will see this on the lower time frames and waiting for the market to drop down a little bit more. What can also happen on USDT is that if we are breaking below the trend line once again and we see another retest, well, that will be the indication for the market to continue to drop down. So for USDT, it's really important to see what 7.77 and 7.73, what the market will do against these areas. Because when you understand what the market's going to do against these levels, and we're combining that with the structure that we have on BTC, it will be easier for me to go in for either a long or short position depending on what USDT is giving us. Once again, if you are looking for a platform to trade the cryptocurrencies on, Bybit have a bonus up to 30k that you can get if you are using the link in the description down below my video, and you have so many multiple pairs that you can go in and trade in here. I will start to give you some more setups for different pairs. So if you are looking for a different pair setup, please tell me what a coin that is, and I will add it to the next video that I will have. And I have videos from Monday to Friday, so if there's any coin that you want me to look at, make sure to tell me that in the comment section, because I can't read your mind, can I? So now you know. Let us go to Ethereum and see exactly what's happening right here, right now. So I honestly don't like Ethereum so much right now because we are heavily inside the previous sideways market, and we are right now testing one of the previous resistance level at 1,650. So this is the same thing. You know, we can just drop down to the support once again and continue to see some crazy sideways market structure happening in here. So for the bullish momentum, what can happen, or what we're looking for, is a break above 1,690 and a retest for that continuation up. But it's the same thing as on BTC. What can happen is that we're pushing up to a previous resistance at 1,690, and then you'll just see the market continue to drop. So we do have some bullish momentum happening right now on the pairs. Okay, so when it comes to Ethereum, we are creating small low lows and lower highs below the previous resistance. So I don't have anything specific right now on Ethereum because I do not like how the chart is looking. Make sure to also follow me on my Twitter X account. You have it also linked in the description down below the video, and this is also where I give you the charts of what I am looking for when it comes to the currencies and just daily updates. So make sure to do that, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification so you know when I am live next time and when I do have my daily updates. We see each other later. Okay, have a fantastic day. Toodles.